At this time, I invite you just to relax into this space, into this moment. And I encourage you to take a moment and think of your prayer request, those that may be spoken and those that may be unspoken. Opening your heart up, allowing yourself once again to be present while clearing any extraneous thoughts that may be in your mind, just letting them gently pass through. I invite you to envision beautiful emerald green energy surrounding you. With each inhale, breathe in the energies of peace, love, healing, and ease. And as you exhale, feel any tension and tightness being lifted from your physical body. As you release those lower, denser, heavier emotions, letting any fear, worry, doubt, and uncertainty to leave your mind. As you continue to breathe in that peaceful energy, know that all is truly well in this moment and every moment. I invite you to center your energy. Breathe in love. Breathe in peace. Envisioning that white light at your core, and then seeing that white light shift to yellow as you take some conscious and empowered breaths. Helping us to feel more stable and balanced and focused. Let us ground our energy as well. Visualize your legs as tree roots growing deep into the earth, and a vine extending upwards, wrapping around your legs, extending upwards into your root chakra, into your sacral, into your solar plexus, and resting in your heart. And then pure white light flowing down through your crown, into your third eye, into your throat, and resting in your heart, grounding you to the earth below, to the light above, and to the love that surrounds you. Continuing to feel that peaceful energy as we feel more balanced, healthy, and well. Know that you are loved and you are loved, and so it is.